Good morning, Earthlings. I'm working really hard on my color plate clock. What? How could you see that from there? Alright, I can't do anything until I clean the mess up. You don't let me get away with nothing. Oh yeah. My Suka had a little problem with windstorm. They didn't seem to get along very well. So I guess I'm putting this on hold. We're gonna work with this today. Ah! There's a tree. There it is. See, that tree almost hit my house. I was asleep there. There! These trees could have fallen on me and killed me. I'm serious. Let's go over to Dan's. I'll show you what happened over there. Okay, so Dan and his girlfriend and I were sitting in his tent and we heard crash, bang, out. What he said he did was it went over his tent and over that and it landed in the yard next to mine, which was pretty neat. Why weren't we killed? They would have killed us. It was a pretty big tree. Anyway, that's a windstorm on Comeno. Hey! Yeah, I see it now. It was that tree right there. And if that had broken off, it would have killed us in his tent. But no, it went this way. It fell down right there. Oh, there's Jones right there. And it could have hurt it jumped a long ways. Wow, it's funny though. Look, it went right over his little canopy thing. His canopy's in better shape than mine. Whoa! I love living in the forest. I love living in the forest, don't you, Jones? What? So did you see the windstorm yesterday? Did you? You did? Did you see the tree come down? You were in there too. Yeah, you were in there with us. You didn't see it come down. Yeah, Jones, did you have a tough night? Yeah, did you? Yeah. I guess that's what Jones had to say about his terrific night with the windstorm last night. That was what he had to say. Didn't you? Really? Yeah? Thanks, Jones. Alright, we had fun with the wind last night, the other night. Ta-da! What? I did a really good job putting the suit up, didn't I? And it fell right down. It fell down. I didn't have insurance on this. You're probably saying, Sharon, what's that ladder doing there? Well, I'm not very good at putting up sukas, and the ladder was to hold it up. I guess it didn't work. Ah! Where do I start? I can't even get in there. I need a chainsaw. That's funny. This is funny. That fell down. All I really wanted was a cardrack anyway. I'll do that later. Wait. Ah. Oh! No way! Ew. There. Stay there. I'm not done yet. Oh my God. That's funny, isn't it? Well, if you think that's funny, I got a whole bunch more. Alright. So, I put my cardrack in there to keep it dry. I guess it didn't work out for it very well. This has been tested for outdoor use. Ow! That's not even funny. I shouldn't laugh at myself. I'll just encourage me to be stupider next time. Look at that. It's all stuck on the branch. The really nice thing was nothing was destroyed other than the stuff that I destroyed by having my suka put up like that. Don't have me come over and put up your suka. That your insurance company would never, ever, ever cover that. Right, Howard? Yeah, Howard's been behaving. Oh no! Howard! Where's my sign? Howard! Howard's my guard flamingo. How did my sign fall down? You didn't see it. I get it. I get it. He wants me to change the sign over there to here. But it's not done yet. Tell him it's not done yet. Howard, he doesn't want to be there. He wants to be in front of the other one because he thinks it's better. But, alright, what do we do with a flamingo that's got an attitude? I'm going to have to pick up the sign before I fix it. My sign, fix my sign. We don't even know how to do it. Look, it's all pulled up here. Crap. That's the sign I painted when I started my fabulous traveling art studio. It was here before Howard was. In fact, Howard fit in nice because he was pink. I'll put it right there. Alright. So, the fabulous traveling art studios in transition. Yeah, does that make you happy, Howard? Oh, she's like, we're going to have to find a home for her because she's talking to a flamingo that, seriously, is just a metal lawn ornament. But if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have a flamingo. Alright, so here we go. Oh, you want to see the process in the trailer? Nobody's here today. But Dan told me that he put in a light and he got most of the floor in. And I'm pretty excited. I haven't seen it yet. I'm going to climb up here. Well, there's the floor. Oh, there's the light. Oh, I want to see if it works. That's pretty. Oh, wow. Ah, that's beautiful. Okay, now I was going to try to talk him into putting my chandelier over the sink. We need a chandelier over the sink, don't we? We still have the atomic bomb. Oh, there's his hat that he lost. Oh, good. Ha! It must be Thursday, Art Critic Thursday. When Dan leaves his hat, I go critic my artwork and call it Thursday. Even though it's not Thursday. It's a Monday. You want me to go Art Critic Thursday on ya? That's pretty fun. No, I'm not. Oh, look, he did. He put a light switch up there. Wow. Wow. That's nice. I have a TV. But I found some funny trophies over there in the garbage. They've been here for a long time. But look at these funny trophies. Aren't they funny? I love them. They're cute. They're from some kind of car show. I'm going to keep them. I don't know why not. Here, this helps him. Helps him with his work. It's funny. He makes those silly... He makes those really insanely cute things. Anyway, I'm going to go out and start working on my other project. And I'm not going to worry about the pile over there. Well, maybe I will a little bit. But my project is to work on the card rack. My project isn't even this one because Dan said he'd do it. And I can't do anything till he's done. And I'm looking forward to moving in here in some capacity. Howard's wanting it to be my home. But he can't move in here. He's a lawn ornament. Can't move in here. What is he thinking? Anyway, I better go. I got all these trees. Really tall. Probably taller than trees. Look. They could have fallen on my house. If that one there had fallen down, or that one, or even this one, right there. Oh boy, that would have biffed me. In the middle of the night, I'd been sleeping there, right in here, and it would have fallen on my head. And I'm not even suicidal, but I thought if God wanted to take me out by tossing a tree on my head, I'd probably deserve it. I got a lot of branches over here too. On the ground. If you don't have branches. Besides, I want my tree friends I want my tree friends to be happy with me so they don't follow me. What kind of a plan is that? Be nice to them so they don't fall in my house. Well, I got these I printed. Do you like them? It's me. That is me. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on top. Camino Island Library gave you free copies, colored copies. They do. They don't do that in Snohomish. Well, they talk to you nice in Snow. I'm not going there. I'm gonna put this up here. This can go on the top. This is the main thing. The reason why this is the main thing is because this is, you know, the brand, the Fabulous Traveling Art Studio. They see it, oh, I've seen it, and then they go to the show, and then they learn stuff, like you do. Alright, so I'm gonna, well, that's all I can stand of that. Trees are dangerous, they can fall in your house and kill you, and we probably should have had that happen to us, but why would God want to take me now? He's having way too much fun with me. I found a box. I'm going to fix it for this card rack. And I'm going to get it out of here so you don't have to look at it anymore. Until later. I don't recommend that you get a guard flamingo. They don't really work very well. Until later. I hope you find your yacht. I hope you don't get caught in a windstorm. And if you do, your yacht's going to take care of you. He did that for me. And you're in the doghouse. That's a funny way to end this show.